The 90s saw the opening of the Indian economy. A few regions took a leap to achieve their untapped potential. Soon, a state emerged from the shadows, moved from ninth in terms of overall GDP to currently the fifth largest economy in India, as it turned into the Silicon Valley of India, the startup capital of South Asia, home to 13.3 lakh registered MSMEs and SMEs in IT, manufacturing, biotech, agriculture and other industries. We know the state as Karnataka, a mix of traditional and increasing newfound wealth, powered by the best educational infra in the country with highest number of medical, engineering and degree colleges per lakh population. The state has the most employable population in the country thanks to its quality human capital. A state with a high per capita income of 3.01 lakhs, creating a huge opportunity for high consumption and high investment by the population. While the people have started to consume and invest, it is just the beginning. There is a big opportunity to accelerate as the state moves up the ladder with other states. The average assets under management as percentage of GDP for Karnataka is only 18%. What is needed for the people is a catalyst that will provide them trustworthy information and data analytics to guide them to make informed decisions. Information to empower and fulfill their aspirations. The people of Karnataka love to speak, watch, read and learn in Kannada. There is a definite need gap. Vijay Karnataka brings to you VK Money from the House of the Economic Times, the first Kannada financial weekly of Karnataka, which is set to inform, inspire and transform Kannadigas, providing a weekly dose of financial and consumption news to the wealthy Kannadigas, covering trending financial news, market updates, expert opinions on macro and micro economy, personal finance, startups and business news, analysis of the consumption products, a complete A to Z of financial and consumption outlook of the week. VK Money is a great platform for advertisers, targeting the affluent Kannadiga households, SMEs, MSMEs and businesses, young students from degree colleges, business schools. Come partner with VK Money. Reach out to wealthy and aspirational Kannadigas who are actively seeking trustworthy and well-researched information to consume and invest. Call us now and get special introductory offers.